When you search for the best strollers with car seats, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Graco Modes Premet. Let's kick things off with the Graco Modes Premet travel system. At $289.99, this combo caught my eye with its sleek design and versatility. If you want a stroller that grows with your child, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Modes Premet is actually 3 products in one. It transitions from an infant car seat carrier to a Premet, and finally to a toddler stroller. This means you can use it from birth through their toddler years without needing to buy another one. The included SnugRide LX infant car seat supports babies from 4 to 30 pounds, making it easy to transfer your sleeping baby from car to stroller without waking them up. Plus, the one-hand fold feature is a lifesaver for busy parents like you, allowing for quick storage and transport. Now, some people complained about the weight of the stroller being a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, the sturdiness provides safety and stability, which is more important than saving a few pounds. If you don't mind a little extra heft for peace of mind, it's still an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting travel system that adapts to your baby's growth. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for quick errands. At this price point, it truly offers great value for what you get. Now, if the weight of the Graco bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a much lighter design. Product number 2: Baby Trend Easy Ride. Next up is the Baby Trend Easy Ride travel system, priced at just $159.99. This one stood out because it's budget-friendly while still packing a punch. If you're after affordability without sacrificing quality, this is worth considering. What makes this system a hit? The 3-wheel stroller design provides superior maneuverability, making it a breeze to navigate crowded spaces. The included Easy Lift infant car seat is equipped with a 5-point harness and EPS foam for optimal impact protection, keeping your little ones safe. Plus, the stroller has a parent tray with cup holders and a large basket for easy access to essentials, which is a must-have for busy outings. However, some users mention that the stroller seat could be a bit narrow for larger toddlers. But honestly, if you're using this for an infant or a smaller child, it works perfectly fine. It's a fantastic option for families looking to save some bucks without compromising on safety. This is perfect for you if you want a solid travel system on a budget. Skip this one if you have a taller toddler who might find it cramped. For the price, it offers an impressive value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a modular design. Product number 3: Baby Trend Passport Switch. The Baby Trend Passport Switch 6-in-1 modular stroller is up next, priced at $199.99. What caught my attention here is its incredible versatility. If you want multiple modes of use in one package, this one has to be on your radar. This travel system offers 6 different configurations, allowing for various seating options, whether your baby is in a car seat or a bassinet. It also features a phone holder and a FlexGrip cup holder for your drinks, which is a nice touch when you're on the go. The large storage basket accessible from both front and rear means you won't struggle to get to baby's essentials while out and about. Now, some parents have pointed out that the instructions for setting up the different modes could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, this flexibility is worth the learning curve, especially as your needs change over time. This is perfect for you if you want a stroller that adapts as your child grows and changes. Skip this if you're someone who prefers a more straightforward setup. For the features it offers, it's a solid value. Now, if the modular design isn't your style, the next product is a unique all-in-one solution. Product number 4: Baby Trend Easy Ride Pink. Next, we have the Baby Trend Easy Ride travel system in Dash Pink, also at $199.99. It shares many similarities with the previous model but offers a charming aesthetic. If you want something stylish without compromising on function, this could be your pick. Like its sibling, this travel system features a 3-wheel design for easy maneuverability and a spacious parent tray with cup holders. The included Easy Lift infant car seat is designed for easy carrying, making transitions between car and stroller a breeze. It also has a large canopy with a peekaboo window, which is a nice feature for keeping an eye on your baby while they enjoy the ride. However, some users noted that the child tray could be a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, while it might seem like a drawback, many parents have found it perfectly functional for light snacks and toys, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish yet functional travel system. Skip this one if you need a super durable child tray for heavier items. For the price, it's a great package. Alright, now let's move on to something a bit more premium that truly changes the game in convenience. Product number 5, Duna Car Seat and Stroller. Finally, we have the Duna Car Seat and Stroller priced at $550. I know this one is on the higher end, but it's a real standout for its innovation. If you want an all-in-one travel solution that makes life easier, this is worth every penny. The Duna transforms from a car seat to a stroller in seconds, literally just a click of a button. This means no more waking up your sleeping baby when you need to run errands. Plus, it has been rigorously tested for safety, featuring side impact protection and crash technology. The water-repellent canopy also offers UPF 50+ protection, which is fantastic for sunny days. Some buyers mentioned that the Duna can feel bulky when fully extended. This is perfect for you if you want the ultimate in ease while traveling with your little one. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. While it's pricier, the value it brings in convenience is hard to beat. So there you have it. We covered the Graco modes Pramette, Baby Trend EZ Ride, Baby Trend Passport Switch, Baby Trend EZ Ride Pink, and the Duna Car Seat and Stroller. Each has its unique advantages depending on your budget and needs. Whether you're looking for versatility, style, or convenience, there's a solid option for every parent.